Elections Committee ka Voice of the People's Party VPP kala terwai ka kerteng jong Dr. Bathskhem Marboh Banlong kum ukertong MP National Parliamentary Constituency nabynta ke election shiteng samoi ka bangsawan haka kerwo bal palaj menin gesngi ka Elections Committee ka VPP kala terwai ka State Executive Committee ya ka kerteng Dr. Bathskhem Marboh ban ya ke jing menjur Banlong ukertong ha ke election shiteng samoi shalok sabha kani kalong hadin ba MP Dr. Ricky AJ syngkon ulaklat kendit no dangshen
haka nu kanong rim ba pipin ya kita syukos notice na tera what utu bo officer basain du umla ban side ikun ko rule but kawai ka bangala ba no hangni kalong ba ki kamdi tangi khina samla mo ki bedon taka the right to freedom of expression ka United Nations House number khandai spa prab khandai ka adopt again ka Convention on the Rights of the Child. But you ka Rights of the Child Convention ka one enforced in 1990. But ka Article 13 chong ka convention kaong ba the child shall have the right to freedom of expression. This right shall include freedom to seek, receive, and impart information and ideas of all kinds, regardless of frontiers, either orally, in writing, or in print, in a form of art or through any other media of the child's choice. Piga we galong mahaka ni ka program kabagi penlong kada ka teachers program o kada ka teachers day program kaba kisay penlong ki kena kamdei ka program jong kinong hikai la datem jingruai ya kada ki jirwai pra la datem ki government officers dan ki government officials ngasuthu ka government kadon ka hok ban kita ka jing pensal ni ka showcase notice taki henry kene kadai ka function ba organize ki kena but kene kadai ka choice chung ki kena ban pen ruai ta kan ki jing ruai te haba ki exercise ka ni ka choice te ka jingli ba mi ka long ba lei ka sarkar ka violate ya kene ka freedom of choice of the children te bar ka wila da phikwa eru ban khang yakum kini ki jingruai ni ki art form kan haki institutions bring in the form of a rule first. Let that rule be debated in public, whether it is reasonable or not reasonable. Then you adopt it. Then after that you enforce it. There should be the process. Pimla ban shuong ba out of the blue pin shu I show cause notice. But hangni he pimla ba he ba gadon kan knee jerk reaction. He ba kani ke jirwai ke ya te but ka wei ba phala ka long ba kani ke jirwai la tem om tang ha kani ka school la tem ha lengi jaka hendre ke show cause notice kami tang ha kani ka school te kani ka pen pa ba ka don ka certain certain fear from certain quarter ki ba associated with that particular area kai hendre la dai ba ka long general te ba le yo ba ro khoi phim khang kai te but ka wei hi ka ba nga snow lungo ka long hi ngan ban ya ka ta ka long ba ban sanitize yaki educational institutions naka politics. People, when you talk about politics, you know, like politics hangni kalong ba perkhat kumya student union kapaki don menshwa. That is a form of politics. That is students' politics. When you say that students should not be made conscious, students should not be made aware, students should not be allowed to take part in any political activity. So which one is not political? And in fact, for example, even when you talk about women's rights, that is part of politics. When you talk about the rights of the women, when you talk about rights of the child, that is part of the political process. So here when you say politics, I don't know, and in fact, piga way along ba, haba pikwa ki enlightened citizen that they can exercise the choice later on. Kani ka convention on the rights of the child ka ki kani ka choice, but can repeat kani ka long ba, hagbagi kina they made that choice. Why should the state deprive that choice from the student?